Sir, 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 sir. Hey, sir, sir. HIRX, Hainesport Industrial Railroad, Hainesport, New Jersey. Hainesport Industrial Park, Hainesport, New Jersey. 9:55 a.m. Wednesday morning, April 24th, 2024. We just witnessed a very lengthy Norfolk Southern Railroad westbound train. Should be 39G, originates at Abrams Yard. I believe King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, near Norristown, PA. Terminates at Conway Yard, Norfolk Southern Railroad, Conway Yard, west of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And the gondolas with slab steel would have been delivered to Abrams Yard by Conrail shared assets, probably coming from Paulsboro, southern New Jersey. And I think that's imported steel from Brazil. And then there were some hopper cars, HIRX, that's Hainesport Industrial Railroad, Hainseport Industrial Park, construction debris. And here we have some views of the Railroaders Memorial Museum here in Altoona, PA. And this Altoona Pipe and Supply was originally a Pennsylvania Railroad building. The railroad is the Norfolk Southern Railroad Pittsburgh line, originally the main line of the Pennsylvania Railroad. And this Altoona Pipe and Supply, they do welding and fabrication of pipes and so on. Let's have another view of the Railroaders Memorial Museum. Main museum is in that building. In the distance, that was the Pennsylvania Railroad Master Mechanics building. And the blue locomotive is an Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, Makoki, Illinois plant where I worked, SD60 locomotive. A little bit about Altoona. Population 43,963. Founded by the Pennsylvania Railroad in 1849 as the site for a shop and maintenance complex of Pennsylvania Railroad's Altoona Works, also known as the Juniata Works, in this direction, looking east. Employed about 15,000 people in the early 20th century. 2019, Norfolk Southern employed 700 and now employs 450. Today's economy in Altoona is driven by the healthcare industry. Not far in this direction is the world famous Horseshoe Curve. Again, Wednesday morning, April 24th, 2024, Altoona, Pennsylvania, over and out.